Hi all, welcome to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to make you a drink out of the Spritz cocktail book. So if you're an Aperol Spritz fan, then you're going to absolutely love this book. There's a lot of aperitifs, a lot of Spritz drinks, nice and refreshing. I'll leave a link to the book in the description below. This particular one is called the Punch Romaine. It's got a bit of a somber history, this drink, because it was paired with one of the final courses on the Titanic. So yeah, anyways, hopefully this memory of the drink will be go down a little bit better. So I'm going to go down. Bad choice of words. So the recipe does say egg white, so I'm just going to whole egg white. Normally I use a half. It's up to you at home. For those a little afraid of using the egg white or they want vegan cocktails, you can always use aquafaba, which is actually the juice from chickpeas in the can. So open the can and then just use a little bit of that. I haven't tested it myself. I probably will someday soon, and I'll let you know how it goes in one of these cocktail videos. So next ingredient is 30 mils, 1 ounce of rum. You got freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 ounce, 30 mils. Then 15 mils, half an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And the same measurement of sugar syrup. Add the ice to the glass and give it a good shake. So today I'm doing it a little bit back to front just to test it out. With the egg white, you usually dry shake the cocktail. I'm still doing that, but I'm doing a reverse dry shake. So I've shaken it with ice. Strain it back into the shaker and give it a second shake. Reason being is the drink's going to be cold, the steel's going to contract around the glass, and also it's going to give a nice headier froth. And I can see already it's much frothier than it was before. This particular drink is served over crushed ice, so the recipe does call for a rocks glass, but I'm going to use a highball because there's a fair bit of volume in there, and once I fill this with crushed ice, it's going to be overloaded. Now strain over crushed ice. I'm definitely glad I strained into a highball. The Winchester range of glassware, especially the rock glass, is actually has quite a small volume. Now to that, you just want to add a dash of sparkling. So this particular one is a sparkling Chardonnay by Riot Wines, who's actually a close friend of mine. So add a little spritz into the glass, add a paper straw, and finish off with a twist of orange. So there you have the Punch Romaine. Cheers. Beautiful, citrusy. You do get some of that orange juice coming through. It's not an overly strong cocktail, obviously, because you've only got a single shot of rum. I'd probably bump it up and add a double shot. Maybe an aged rum as well to add a little bit of complexity. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. So add the glass to the ice, okay?